Hello guys, this is Nora here. I guess you can see from the title that what I'm going to talk about today in this video is that, as we all know, the 70% of the lithium-ion battery packs on the global market are made in China. So I'm here today to bring you guys to exploring the lithium-ion battery pack factory in China. And so for the next step, I will introduce the production line one by one. Let's start with the most important material for the solar battery pack. So this is LiFePO4 3.2 volt 100 Ah battery cells, which can make the battery packs for 5 kWh and 10 kWh. It is totally brand new cells, as you can see, and I think you might also know that there's different quality for the battery cells on the market, and people call it Grade A or Grade B, and also other level of the cells. If you're interested to know more about that, please comment down below. I will make another video for explaining more clear about it as well. So you can see the cells that I'm having right now. There is very clear QR code and no damage at all. For the battery cells quality control, we have to test with a different process here, such as salt spray test and the temperature environment test. And I think what you care about most, it will be the cycle life for the battery. So there is some test facility in this room. It is for testing the cycle life of the battery cells. You can see there's many of the cells is on the testing right now with this equipment. We'll never get to stop. Continuously testing the battery cells from different brands, and many of the cells is been testing for years to make sure that the cycle life is exactly the same as what the cell supplier claim on the advertise. For the next part, after you place the order, especially some batteries with customized needs, there will be professional engineers here. Most of them has 10 more years of experiences in the electrical industry, will analyze and design the project for the clients. On the production line, from the cell selecting and packing to the series and parallel process of the battery cells is carried out under microlens, and the installation for the BMS to the cable arrangement, also final assembly of the finished product. Everything is standardized. And before packing the finished product, the battery pack will be cycled and make the adjustment with the facility and different inverter models that the clients request, to make sure the battery pack will be operating perfectly when it's arrived to the clients. And you might also see there's some inverter that you will know already in this room as well. As we all know, the lithium-ion battery is considered as sensitive, dangerous goods for the transportation. In order to expand business to the global market, DG package is definitely needed, and the international certification provided to the clients as well. So that's our video for today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not, for more videos coming up.